Get ready for an adrenaline-packed experience. We'll take you up close to witness the breathtaking moment when colossal trees are brought down. The largest, most powerful, and most formidable forestry machines stride boldly through the forest, pushing every limit. This is a video you absolutely cannot miss. Unbelievable. How can a small man with a chainsaw that's smaller than the tree's circumference manage to conquer not just one, but two towering giants standing dozens of feet tall? Get ready to witness these two giants fall. This is going to be a moment that will leave you in awe.
Secure this out, get it.
I just cannot understand how he has lived long enough to do something so stupid. He's lucky he wasn't standing too high. This guy is a true legend. That massive tree is totally under his control, with his steel chainsaw working exactly as he planned. Watching him in action is seriously impressive. The Zeal 131 is a powerful military beast, equipped with a 180 horsepower V8 engine. With its impressive performance, it's hauling a hefty 7 tons of timber. Have you ever seen the strength of this machine in action? This muddy patch looks like a serious challenge, but let's see if it can push beyond its limits. Oh my gosh, the PA is jammed. That's a major no-no. Pros know it's important to drop it like it's hot and get out of there. Safety always comes first, right? If you're looking for a true beast in the logging industry, the John Deere 1270G is the perfect choice. Powered by a 300 horsepower engine and capable of processing 30 to 50 millicords of wood per hour, it features advanced technologies like an automatic cutting system and electronic controls, delivering exceptional precision while minimizing wood wastage. I've always admired the skill and strength it takes to be a lumberjack, but that is awfully damned hard work and dangerous as hell. Kudos to those brave and tough enough to keep the lumber flowing. Leave a comment with the number 1 to give a shout out to the incredible lumberjacks. The sawyer's skill is unquestionable, but the remarkable precision achieved highlights the saw doctor's painstaking attention to blade sharpening and adjustments. This dedication to detail, a hallmark of Japanese craftsmanship, produces planks of outstanding quality, with grain and texture that far exceed expectations. Construction prioritizes efficiency. Time is money, and the Dopstat DH910 Super Panther delivers the perfect solution. Equipped with a powerful 700 horsepower engine, this high-performance wood chipper easily processes softwood up to 900 millimeters in diameter and hardwood up to 680 millimeters. It produces large quantities of wood chips with consistently superior quality. Looks like these guys are taking matters into their own hands, handling that tree in their yard to save on the cost of hiring a pro. Let's see what happens to them. We'll find out soon enough.
Oh God, oh no! Ha! Oh crap! Dang it!
Imagine this. You're relaxing in the comfy cabin of your skid steer, sipping a cup of coffee, effortlessly turning logs into firewood with the Hahn HFP 160 Pro. With 7 horsepower and a working capacity of 10 to 15 mil per hour, all at a price range of $500 to $625, you no longer have to endure back-breaking labor or struggle with a chainsaw. Just smooth, efficient firewood production. Truly amazing, right? Oh wow, what on earth is that guy doing on top of the truck? Maybe he's trying to experience the thrill of riding the truck on those winding roads. Crazy, right? By the way, the truck driver's skills are seriously impressive. I'm pretty amazed. The Stihl MS-880 is truly a monster in the world of chainsaws. With a powerful 8.6 horsepower engine, it's incredibly strong and can cut through trees with a diameter of up to 80 centimeters or more. Although its price ranges from $1,800 to $2,500, if you're working in the professional logging industry, this is definitely a worthwhile investment. Imagine this. You're hauling tons of timber down a bumpy, winding, rocky road. Definitely not a leisurely drive. Every turn is a gamble, every mile is a challenge. But that's what makes the ride so exciting and unpredictable. Oh my gosh, did you see that? That tree rolled down, knocking the 2 trees in front to the sides, and then disappeared. With a 260 horsepower engine, the K701 can process around 10 to 15 millicores of wood per hour. However, this particular tree seems to be quite a challenge. Let's see if the machine can get the job done. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and hit the subscribe button for more exciting content. Don't forget to click on the video at the corner of the screen to check out more captivating videos. See you in the next one.